SignalHire is a versatile platform for sourcing and verifying contact information, particularly for lead generation, recruitment, and sales outreach. Here's how to use it effectively. Sign up and log in. First, create an account on the SignalHire website. After registration, log in to access the dashboard. Search for leads. Use the search bar to find prospects by job title, company, industry, and location. Apply advanced filters to narrow down results based on specific criteria like company size, seniority, or expertise. View contact information. SignalHire provides verified contact details such as email addresses, phone numbers, social profiles, and more. For premium users, additional information may be available like personal emails or direct phone numbers. Export leads. After finding relevant contacts, you can export the data to a CSV file for use in your CRM or outreach campaigns. This makes it easy to organize and manage your leads. Browser extension. Install the SignalHire browser extension to gather contact details directly from LinkedIn profiles, which can be helpful for real-time prospecting.